How to print your emails from Gmail. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can print your Gmail. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first step is open up your Gmail and make sure that you're logged in into your account. After you're logged in into your account, simply open up the mail that you want to print. So let's say I want to print this mail right here. This is an account successfully recovered mail from Google. Now, if I want to download this or print this, what I do is I simply tap on the print button on the top right. Now, before we move on with this, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Now, let us begin. So tap on this print option right here. After you tap on it, it will take you to another page. Now, after you're on this page, all you now have to do is select where you want to print it. So you'll simply choose the destination, choose your printer, and after you do that, you can head over to more settings. You can choose the color or black and white option, the layouts, and your pages. And after you hit print, it will start printing your mail. And that's basically how you do it. It's that simple. And that's basically all for today's video, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye.